Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture our custom dataset. So here we'll be talking about the dataset that we'll be training our own custom detector. So here we'll be talking about the folder structure, what are the dataset contents, then how the strain and split has been done, and then images and the annotation file. So you can see here right now. So this is the folder that I'm talking about, the dataset, basically our custom dataset. Okay. So here right now there are two folders. One is the train folder, one is the test folder. We just try to open our training folder. So here you can see actually a lot of images are here. Okay, so people wearing mask and no mask. Okay, so this is our data set. So we'll be training a detector which will do the mask and no mask detection for you. And similarly, we do have the images in our test folder. Now let's talk about the resolution. If you want to just check the resolution, then you can just click on properties. Okay, and then resolution, open with an image. So all the pixels are like 512 cross 512. So this is the resolution of all the photos that I have taken for account for our training. So my whole data set is resized. Now there will be a particular file called as train.csv here. So this is our annotation file. Okay, so train.csv. So our data set already has this train.csv, but sometimes you don't get. So we'll be talking about that in the next lecture. Okay, how to get this particular train.csv file. So similarly in the test, there is also our test.csv. So this CSV files actually hold the annotations that you will be doing. So in the next lecture, we'll be talking about how to do the annotations. See you guys in the next lecture.